In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords on KDP in this KDP tutorial for beginners. If you're diving into the world of self-publishing on Amazon, understanding how to effectively use keywords is crucial for boosting the discoverability of your book. So let's get started on this journey to making your book more visible to potential readers on Kindle Direct Publishing. First things first, you need to navigate to the Keywords section on your KDP dashboard. This section is a part of the book setup on Kindle Direct Publishing, where you'll have the opportunity to define how your book is categorized and what searches your book will appear under. You'll find the Keywords section when you're setting up a new book or editing an existing one. It's a simple yet powerful tool, and knowing where it is sets you up for success. Now, once you're in the Keywords section, it's time to enter up to 7 keyword phrases. These aren't just random words. Think of them as the bridge that connects your book with potential readers who are interested in the content you offer. You have 7 slots, so make sure you utilize them fully. You can enter a mix of single words or phrases that best describe your book's genre, themes, or unique selling points. These keywords are important because they help Amazon's algorithm know when to show your book to interested readers. For instance, if you've written a thriller, keywords like suspenseful, mystery thriller, or action-packed might be appropriate. But simply filling out these slots isn't enough. You need to make sure you choose search-friendly words. This means using terms that your target audience is actually typing into the search bar. Take some time to think from the perspective of your readers. What words or phrases might they use if they were looking for a book like yours? You might even want to do a little research by checking out the search suggestions on Amazon when you type in certain words related to your book. This can give you an idea of what's popular or trending. Also, remember to avoid using competitors' titles or author names as keywords, as this could lead to your book being rejected by Amazon. Once you feel confident that you've filled in the keywords thoughtfully, it's time to save and continue. This step is essential to ensure all the hard work you've put into selecting your keywords is applied to your book listing. Double-check that everything is correct before you hit save, because well-placed keywords can significantly improve your book's visibility on Amazon. Thank you for joining me in this KDP tutorial for beginners. Allowing your book to be easily found by setting effective keywords is a step toward greater sales